tennis ball. Right here, buddy. What's that? Oh, there you go. That's a good one. Did you see the chickens? Look, it's the chickens. You're not interested in those chickens, are you? What are you doing? You going over there? Okay. Let's go this way, buddy, huh? Let's go this way. There's a tennis ball. There's a tennis ball. Oh, you got that one, huh? Oh, there's another one. You want to check that one out? Okay. Was that November just giving a goofy noise to Lagu? How's your foot doing, buddy? How's your foot doing, huh? Hey, Violet. Hey, Violet. Hey, buddy. Come here, girl. Violet. Lagu, you seem like you're walking better. Okay. I get it. I get it. Okay, come on. Come on, Vader. Let's go. Yeah, there's a good boy. Where you going? Nope. Yep, there you are. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Ooh. There's a tennis ball. Right here, buddy. What's that? Oh, there you go. That's a good one. Did you drop it? What? Why'd you drop it? Huh? Go get it. Yeah. What? 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 Oh! Oh, that was over the water fountain. You weren't sure what that thing was, were you, buddy? You weren't sure what that thing was, were you? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, what do you say we go fix it and put it back in the water, huh? We should go do that. Come on. Come on. Let's go fix it and then put it back in the water. You bud. Ooh. Ooh, that was a good stick. Vader. I know. Yeah, you want it, but yeah, not that bad. Stick's not your thing right now.